Talk 72, Risks when using angle grinders. The angle grinder. Portable. Powerful. Essential for cutting, grinding, and polishing in masonry and metalwork. But every spark, every rotation, hides serious risks. Main hazards. Cuts and blows from the disc or the material itself. Hands or clothes trapped in moving parts. Flying fragments, chips, sparks, shards of metal. Inhalation of dust, sometimes toxic, containing lead chromates or other dangerous substances. Noise and vibration, constant and harmful. Electric shocks, both direct and indirect. Where the danger comes from. Most risks appear when something is done the wrong way. Using the wrong disc size, speed, or type. Discs in poor condition, cracked, worn, or mounted incorrectly. Working at excessive speed. Dropping the grinder or leaving it running without control. Forcing the machine until the disc blocks. Working without a dust extraction system. And when the disc jams, the grinder reacts violently. It twists in the opposite direction. The operator must resist, or lose control. Machine failures that add risk. No movement, because of mechanical or electrical failures. Excessive noise or vibrations, from bad bearings or poor mounting. Overheating, caused by insufficient power, faulty brushes, or bad ventilation. Defective cables, from pulling the grinder by the cord or cutting it accidentally. Other risk factors. Awkward postures or unstable positions. Falls caused by sudden machine reactions. People working nearby, exposed to sparks and fragments. Sensitive equipment or installations too close to the work area. Final message. Every angle grinder is a tool of great strength. And that strength must be respected. One wrong disc. One careless posture. One ignored vibration. That is all it takes for a serious accident. Stay alert. Check the machine. Choose the right disc. Control your movements. Because the real risk of an angle grinder is believing it cannot hurt you.